Hello everybody, welcome to Andy's World for another video. Today we are going to prepare breadcrumbs. I'm going to show you how to make breadcrumbs at home, and that too which is fresh. Using this breadcrumbs you can do a variety of items. Most commonly we can prepare cutlet. You just dip the cutlet in breadcrumbs, fry it, and you get crispy and tasty cutlets. To make breadcrumbs we need only one ingredient, that is bread. So I have taken brown bread. You can take either white bread or brown bread or any bread, either stale or fresh. I have put in a mixer and I've grind it into fine crumbs. Can you see this? Fine crumbs. So make it like this in a mixer. Or you can just crumple it in your hands into fine powder like this. Without wasting any time, let's get into making our breadcrumbs. Heat pan. Now add in the powdered bread into it. We need to roast this powdered bread into nice crisp breadcrumbs. So the flame needs to be in medium to low flame. Saute it continuously. Initially when you start sauteing it, you will find that moisture wherein you can see it forming into small lumps. As the temperature increases, the moisture in the bread also will get evaporated, and slowly you will see the crumbs becoming a little crisper. Now it's actually a little soft. It's been 5 minutes now. Can you see the texture of that breadcrumbs? The texture has changed from soft to dry but not crisp. So you need to keep sauteing it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then you will slowly see the crumbs turning crisper. But you can still see there are little tiny lumps. As the temperature keeps increasing and you keep sauteing, it will become lump free and the color will also change. It's been a total time of 8 to 10 minutes. Can you see the color has changed, especially the bottom of the pan, and you see the texture is more crisp and there is no lumps. So saute it for another 2 minutes. That's more than enough. I just wanted to turn a little more darker brown. I've kept it in low flame itself and I'm sauteing it. So our breadcrumbs is now ready. Let's leave it to cool down, post which you can store it in an airtight container. Here it is, our homemade breadcrumb is now ready. You can store it in an airtight container or a jar and stays fresh for 3 to 4 months. So don't waste any leftover bread, rather turn it into breadcrumbs. Can you see how crisp it is, how free flowing it is? It's definitely very fresh. You can use breadcrumbs in various recipes. I have used it to make cutlets. For this video, please click on the description box. And yes, do try this recipe and do leave your comments below. Like I always say, please like, share and subscribe. Until then, take care and bye-bye.